Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the unboxing and first impressions of the EKSA active noise cancelling headphones. Specifically, the model number is E5. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, let's cut through the cellophane wrapping that we have here on the earphone packaging and have a closer look at the box. It's a nice simple cardboard box with some embossed model number E5 and the depiction of the headphones and the text saying that these are active noise cancelling wireless headphones. And EKSA's logo and key messaging: bring tech to game life. So this is the same brand that we saw in the EKSA E1000 headphones, which is a gaming USB headset. It's focusing on the gamers. Now you see the usual specifications on the back here. These have a battery, a 920 mAh battery, active noise cancellation, and a few more basic specs, but we expect this to be a premium set of headphones. The price we bought them on Amazon was really quite good. And first impressions are very good. The packaging is nice, but more importantly, they come in their own carry case. So let's put the box aside. You can see a nice soft touch neoprene case with a zipper. Let's open that up. And on the inside we see there is a booklet of warnings and cautions. I'm sure we'll read that at some point. A quick user manual, EKSA E5, which is well illustrated. A quick registration for 2-year guarantee. An extra warning for the active noise cancellation. And let's have a look at the headphones themselves, and more importantly, what is in the cable bag. So let's start with the cables. So very important for those of you who travel, this is not a charging port. This is your adapter for old aeroplane in-flight entertainment systems with 2 prongs and an adapter to 3.5mm. These have a charger which is USB Type-C. We like seeing that on new accessories and new things. USB-A to USB Type-C, which means the EKSA E5 should be Type-C for charging. And further confirmation of that from the fact that there is a USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter. So this will do the whole digital to analog noise adapting. And the headphones themselves. They come wrapped individually, and first impressions is they're really quite light. They're nice and light. They feel really soft around the ears, left and right, as you can see. And the top is quite firm compared to other headsets we've tried recently. But nice feel, nice and light. What I'm going to do is pair these to my iPhone and to an Android device, and then give you some first impressions on the sound. But the physical first impression is very, very positive. These are foldable. I'll put them on and give you some first impressions, so bear with me. Okay then, so I've just finished testing the EKSA E5 noise cancelling headphones in a variety of scenarios. I listened to some music on YouTube Music, on the Google Pixel 4 XL, and on the iPhone 11. I made a video call using Facebook Messenger, and sound was pretty good. What I was saying was being well received from the other end, no issues at all. So overall, really good headphones, really soft pads for your ears with a memory foam underneath the pleather, really, really good for that. Maybe not ideal for particularly warm days, but overall very, very comfortable. And then I tried doing what I usually do with noise cancelling headphones when I can't travel and actually be on a plane. I turned on the vacuum cleaner and then listened to some music without noise cancelling on, and then turned on noise cancelling just to get a feel for it. And it seems to be pretty good noise cancelling. We look forward to the day when we'll be able to take the EKSA E5 on an actual plane and travel with them. But for now, this will be the sort of test case for them to give you some first impressions. So overall, really good value for money. I've really enjoyed using these headphones so far. I think these will become the default at my desk, connecting them to my PC or to a phone, depending on what my use case is at the time. So overall, really good sound, nice bass, decent treble, and I haven't been able to put it through the battery tests yet to see how long the battery lasts, but EKSA's website tells us that it's up to 60 hours worth of battery life from these headphones. So I look forward to doing that as a marathon gaming session connected to Bluetooth. So thanks for watching this unboxing and first impressions of the EKSA E5 earphones, Bluetooth noise cancelling earphones. We have a description in the link for the EKSA E5 on Amazon. It is available on Amazon Prime. We had next day delivery when we ordered ours. By purchasing anything from Amazon after using that link, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks. So if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye.